Nugget, what are you?
Hunter, what are you?
What are you guys doing today? Are you hanging out? Are you hanging out with Uncle
Being
Lou?
the most bored kids in the entire world. Let me out.
There's Hunter James. He doesn't have his own YouTube videos. He can't afford to do YouTube, folks. He is just too damn poor. When you get as poor as Hunter, you figure out what the hell life is. And then you got Keegan back there. He's destined to be in jail for the rest of his life.
Jail.
He's gonna be a jailbird.
And we're being the most bored kids in our lives.
And bored kids of your lives? I don't think so.
Can you let me out?
I think there's kids that are more bored than you.
Can you let me out now?
There's kids out there with no money. What about those kids?
Let me out now, please?
Those kids are out there, and
Please let me out.
and he's in jail.
Please let me out.
Okay, folks, we're going. We're going down the road in the woods. They're the most bored kids in the world.
Actually,
They look like they're. Don't those kids look deprived? They look like they've just been mistreated
We haven't
and
had no
abused.
food and water for 2 hours.
2 hours, no food, no water. Oh my goodness. They just went and ate and stopped for lunch.
Supposed to feed you and give you a drink.
I thought you were supposed to get bread and water when you're in jail. Hunters trying to kill horseflies. Okay guys, that's it for today. That's what we're doing. We're out there checking cameras, cutting firewood.
Yeah, checking cameras, more like cutting down trees.
We cut down some firewood, big deal.
Trees.
There's the firewood chopper. Cut her down. Thanks a lot for watching, folks. Here we are in the woods. We're watching it. You're watching it right live as we see it.
Whatever.
Here's
We're
our food
bored.
plot. The corn's coming up finally. We're gonna have some corn. The deer are gonna love it. And Hunter James is gonna.
Yeah, whatever. I wish I
Are you
would
gonna
never
kill a
came.
deer this year or no?
Yeah.
Did you kill one last year?
Yeah.
You did? Oh my goodness, he's a deer slayer. Okay, folks. We're gonna go. Thanks a lot for watching. Louie
Yeah,
out.
we're going home and